Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are doing our Pieceful baskets. It's block 11. Get a better pitch of it right here, which means we only have one more basket left. But I've got everything cut out, and so let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with N and O, and N and M. Now these were also supposed to be squares cut two at a time, just like this, but I already had these triangles, so I just cut out some triangles to match it. We need 3 of these. So I'll sew down this seam and then press it open and trim. And then I will sew on these lines. I took my 1/2-inch ruler, went from corner to corner, drew on each side. I will sew on the lines, cut in between, press it open, and then trim. Okay, that was easy and quick, and since you only need 3 of those, you are left with an extra one for your orphan block basket. So now I'm just going to put these this together as a 9 patch into a block. Then I will add K and J. Okay, I pressed this row towards this. This row was pressed out so that it would get pressed towards this, which meant this row got pressed in. So now we can nest them. Okay, now we're going to take B, and I don't remember the letter for the other one. I, B and I, and make 2 half square triangles. Okay, I'm going to cut in the middle, press these open, trim them, and then we will get started on attaching the rest of the strips. Okay, we're going to take L and put them on C and D. And we're going to take E and put them on J and K. Okay, I have C and D, and I'm going to put these pieces right here, so it makes a little mountain, and I'm going to attach them to the blue part, and everything gets pressed towards the blue. Okay, we're going to put a D up here, and this triangle goes along with this line. The blue matches the blue, and then we'll put C up here, and the same thing. The C matches this, and the blue matches the blue. And then we can nest right here. Okay, we'll put on the other one. It also goes this way. So now we're going to put on these, and the white will go by these here. And we can nest that. Okay, now what we're going to do is turn this into the middle of a square and a square. So we're going to take this is going to be a folded corner, so you draw a line from corner to corner, sew on that line, and then you will fold it back so that you will have a folded corner. I added an extra seam line a ½ inch away that will go towards this corner, so that when I cut off this corner at a ¼ inch, I have an extra half square triangle. Okay, I'm going to cut in between these two seam lines, then I'll press this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut diagonally from this corner to this corner. Okay, I've got my extra half square triangle block in there. So now we're going to treat this as a square in the square. These two will go here to make the stand, and then you've got another block that you also cut diagonally for the top and the bottom, and then this will make your block. So we're going to do two opposite ends first. Just going to make sure that's right sides together. Okay, now we will do the same thing to the other side. Okay, there we are, block 11 of the Pieceful Baskets quilt. It's called Birds in the Air Basket Block. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next month for the last block, and hopefully we can put the quilt together. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping we can. So thank you very much for watching.